Standing near the heart of the city, Fukuyama Castle is one of Japan's most prominent Edo period castles. Built as both a defensive fortress and a symbol of authority, it played a key role in regional governance. The castle was constructed in 1619 under the orders of Mizuno Katsunari, a powerful daimyo and ally of Tokugawa Ieyasu. Its location was carefully chosen to control important routes in western Japan and to reinforce the Tokugawa shogunate's influence. Unlike earlier wartime fortresses, Fukuyama Castle reflected the stability of the Edo period. While it retained defensive features such as stone walls and moats, it also emphasized administrative control and prestige, rather than constant warfare. The castle originally featured multiple turrets and a grand main keep, showcasing the architectural style of early Edo Japan. Its design balanced military readiness with the refined aesthetics typical of the era. During World War II, much of the castle was destroyed in air raids in 1945. However, like many historic Japanese sites, it was later reconstructed to preserve its cultural and historical significance. Today, Fukuyama Castle stands as a restored landmark and museum, offering visitors insight into samurai governance and Edo period life. It remains a symbol of resilience, blending historical legacy with modern preservation.